Pushback tonight against Attorney General Austin Knudsen for his move to abolish Section 504 of the Rehabilitation Act of 1973, which is a civil rights law. It prohibits discrimination against individuals with disabilities in programs and activities that receive federal financial assistance. MTN senior political reporter Jonathan Ambarian takes a closer look at the controversy.
On Monday, advocates sought to deliver a message to Montana Attorney General Austin Knudsen, get out of a federal lawsuit that they said is threatening the foundations of protections for people with disabilities.
It's that simple.
Disability Rights Montana hosted a news conference where they and other advocacy organizations argued that the suit from 17 state attorney generals was a threat to Section 504 of the Federal Rehabilitation Act. It's best known for its role in students' education plans, but it goes much further.
504, really, when it comes down to it, is what allows me to live and be a person who can exist and be productive and contribute to society in a way that's meaningful.
But Knudsen's office argues these concerns are mistaken. A spokesperson said in a statement, quote, "Bad faith actors are deliberately misconstruing this lawsuit 9 months after it was filed to frighten parents into believing that the attorneys general put Section 504 in jeopardy. That is categorically false." The states filed the lawsuit primarily to challenge a Biden administration rule that added gender dysphoria as a condition entitled to protection under 504. However, their original complaint said Section 504 overall was coercive, untethered to the federal interest in disability, and unfairly retroactive, and asked the court to declare it unconstitutional. Last week, the state attorneys general submitted an updated filing, stating that they did not intend for the case to challenge the section in its entirety, but just to stop it being applied in some situations not tied directly to the Rehabilitation Act. And since the Trump administration is reversing Biden-era policies on gender, the case should remain on hold anyway. Scott Birkenbuhl, the chief executive officer of Ability Montana, says whatever the state's intention, the language in the case hasn't changed, and advocates are still going to push back.
I think the disability community, we are going to continue to remain vigilant and focused so it doesn't get drowned out by all the other noise in the political arena right now.
For now, this case is remaining on a stay until the spring. In Helena, Jonathan Ambarian, MTN News.